Wala namang gano'n. GC pa una. Ano yung GC? May plan ka din bang magstay diyan? Um, actually 50-50 pa kasi. Kung lilipat man ako dito, baka next year pa. Kasi hindi pa ako nakapaghanap ng work and everything. Dada! Hello. Wala. Pag US citizen ka, magkaka-blue card ka. Blue card pwede pa siguro pag green card. Wala talaga po akong alam sa mga blue card or green card na yan, ha? Wala pa talaga akong alam. Kasi basta may visa lang ako na multiple visa lang ako and tourist lang ako. One month lang ako nagstay dito. Saan ka sa Queen? Sa Woodside. Shout sa mga bagong pasok, hello guys. Maria, hello. Shout sa Persa family. Breeze, welcome back. Junex, hello. Philippine visa po ba? Meron kayo meron? Ha? Wala namang kailangan Philippine visa. Ha? Pag nasa Philippines ka, hindi naman natin kailangan ng... Yeah, almost 1 month na ako dito. Grabe, nang bilis, no? Actually, parang hindi 1 month. Parang mga 2 weeks and a half. Parang mga ganun lang pala. Pero almost 1 month na din. Player, hello. Bill Campbell, hello. Breeze, thank you. Kentoy, hello. Bakit close ba sila? Anong close pa sila? Ano ba yung mga tanong nyo? Hindi ko na nasasabayan. Sorry guys, ang bilis ng comment nyo. Mr. Dizon, hello. Tama, home. Thank you for following me. Kapag Philippine passport kayo, tourist lang talaga kayo. Yes, ayun, yun. Tama yun. Tama yun. Thank you. Thank you, Tap. Tap ba yung pay mo? Tap, thank you, Tap, babe. Michael M. Basta guys, ito na lang. Sasabihan ko kayo ng sikreto. Ay, parang nanay natin. Sorry. Sige, sabihan ko na. Long time no see. Hi! Kamusta sa oh my God? Oh my God, long time back. Long time no see, my friend. So, ganito yon. Since ako nga, multiple visa kasi yung US ko. Yung US visa ko, naka-multiple siya. So, tourist lang ako. So, bago ako pumunta dito sa mga iba't ibang lugar sa US, kailangan meron ka ng hotel, kung ilang linggo ka or isang buwan ba, ganun. Kasi sa immigration, huwag kayong matatakot pag tinatanong kayo sa immigration. Kasi ang dali lang naman ng mga tanong like, how long ka magstay dito sa US, saan ka mag-stay, ganun. Ba't ka pupunta dito, ganun, anong gagawin mo, mga ganun lang talaga tinatanong. Johnny Tangkelo, pero depende yan sa sino yung magtatanong sa inyo. Meron din kasi nagtatanong, meron ka rin makakatapat na talagang sobrang mahigpit. Like, tinatanong ba kung magkano yung pocket money mo, mga ganun, B. Kaya, naku, huwag kang kakabahan pag ganun, B. Ako nga, alam nyo, yung second time, nung first time kong punta ng US, hindi ako masyadong tinanong ng babae. Partida babae pa yun, kabadong-kabado ko. Kasi, Johnny Tang, thank you, my friend. Kasi babae yung nagtanong sa akin, medyo masungit siya. Kasi bago ako, parang Chinese yung ini-interview niya. And yung Chinese, ang dami niyang tanong dun sa Chinese. Yung Chinese medyo hindi niya naririnig or siguro hindi niya masyadong naiintindihan. Tapos mahirap siya mag-English, magsalita mag-English yung Chinese. So parang naiinis na yung babae magtanong. Oops, sorry guys. Tutumba kayo. So ayun na nga. So nung ako na, ano ba naman yan? Lagi nalalaglag ko. Nung ako na, akala ko marami siyang itatanong. Biglang tinanong niya lang, how long you gonna stay here? Where you gonna stay here? Okay, go. You can go now. Ganun lang, Ay, ganun lang ka, dali, Yun lang yung tanong siya. Tapos yung second time ko, itong pagpunta ko ng US ulit. Yung second time ko na, nasa immigration na ako, be. Be, ang higpit na nagtanong, lalaki yung nagtanong sa akin. Parang, be, tinanong niya, magkano yung pocket money ko, ganun. Kinabahan ako, tinanong ako, magkano daw yung dala ko. Yung pocket money ko. Sabi ko, 1 million, 'di ba? Sabi ko, 1 million. So, akala niya 1 million USD. Bakit daw ako may ganung kahalagang kalaking pera? Akala niya USD. Tapos tinanong niya, what? Napagano talaga siya. What? Tapos tinanong niya ako, why you have, in Tagalog na lang, sige. Sabi niya, bakit daw ako may ganung kahalagang cash? Ganon. Ba't daw ako may ganung kahalagang cash? Tapos sinabi ko, no. 1 million peso. Di, akala niya talaga, ano lang, almost 1 month. Piglet, hello. Shout sa mga bagong pasok. Nagulat talaga siya. Tapos after nun, ngumiti na siya. Tapos yung pinadaan niya na ako. Piglet, hello. Nong, welcome back. Natawa talaga ako kasi gulat na gulat siya. Shout sa mga bagong pasok. Hello. Good evening, guys. Good evening po. Yes, visit lang, Blair. Balik Pico. Piglet! Oo. Papaambunan mo ba ako? Hello, Tony. Hello, everyone. Missed you, Eugene. 11:20. Anong oras na ba dyan? Lunch. Lunch na pala. You should, next time, DC, I will. Balik ako dito like, maybe, December. Yes, RDS, papalik ako. Chef Vicky, thank you. Yeah, December and New Year maybe kasi gusto ko matry yung Christmas and New Year here. Yung may pa-countdown sa ano ba yung Times Square, gano'n. Pero next year, baka mag-US trip ako. Punta ako ng San Francisco, Cali, Las Vegas, LA. Pero on my birthday, pupunta ako ano ba to? Hawaii. Demons. Isa kasi yung Hawaii sa mga dream country ko. Gusto kong puntahan. Nakapunta na ako ng Switzerland. Yun yung isa talaga. Yun yung top 1 talaga. That's my top 1. Na dream ko. Which is yung Switzerland. Yung Paris. Napuntahan ko na. So, grabe. Yung next na is yung Hawaii. Actually, super lucky ko nga kasi bago ako mag-birthday, yung birthday ko kasi guys, January. So parang bago mag-New Year, pumasok yung welcome back, bago pumasok yung taon, marami akong work. So, diba? Super lucky. Tas birthday ko pa, so. The Midge, hello. Hello, everyone. Eugene, you should eat dinner now. Yeah, RDS. I should try that one. Live. Hello, ISP. Hello. Hello, everyone. Paramdam ka pag nag-LA. Oo, ang dami kong kikitain sa LA. Diyos ko, ang dami nyo. Mayroon pa sa Canada. Oh my God. Glenn, hello. I already ate dinner. Okay, good. What's your dinner? I ate like a large intestine. Yes. And it's so good. Kerwin, hello. J-Dog, hello. USA, hello. Wrong turn. Hello, USA. Si ano ba to? Si Freud. Hindi pala to si Freud. ANC, hello. Hello, everyone. Tanod, hello. Yuki, hello. Rim, hello. Touch Me Not, welcome back. Good evening. Deku, hello. Why you stop live? Anikikiram, hello. Nag-stop ako magbigo kasi nga, 'di ba, namatay po yung when my dad got died last year, and then of course I need to focus on my family, and I need to focus on my small businesses and to myself also. So I do travel a lot also that time. And yeah, that's the reason. Shall we, everyone? Luck, hello. Will you send me na picture? What? USA? What is it? Mysterious man, thank you for following me. Thank you, guys. Balik ka na ng Pinas. Yes, touch me not. It's a secret. What? Okay, fine. The Midge, hello. Lauren Clase, hello. Pulvernica, I like the simplicity of your style. RDS, thank you. Cause I don't have, oops, sorry. Cause I don't have makeup now. Nika God, hello. Sure, follow ba kita? Cause I don't have makeup, that's why you like. Oh, maybe because I don't have lashes. Because usually I have my lash extension and I remove it because, Thank you, Touch Me Not. Girly, thank you, babe. France, hello. Good evening, everyone. Good afternoon dyan sa Pinas. Mag-lunch na kayo. Yung mga nasa US, mag-dinner na kayo. Never forgotten, hello. Darling, hello. Baste, hello. Hello, everyone. Kerwin, hello. Oh my God. LV, hello. Kanyari sa old account mo. Okay pa naman yung old account ko, guys. Na-open ko pa naman siya. Pero ito na po yung gagamitin ko pang live. Yes. Oh, yeah. Yes. Hanggang 12. Siguro hanggang 12 lang ako mag-live, guys. Mag-iimpake pa nga ako eh. Kailangan ko pang mag-pack. Yes, USA, what? Money, hello. For following me, girly. Thank you so much, girly. Done my dinner. Just wow. Salad. What's your favorite salad? I love of course, the number one Caesar salad. Can we meet? USA! Tama home, welcome back. I love your voice. Wow, thank you. Really? Why you like my voice? My voice is nothing. Next punta ka Chicago if you want to. Me too. You like my voice? What is my voice? You know, guys, I can sing. That's not my talent. But I can dance just a little bit and then do acting. That's it. USA, thank you for following me. Your voice, like how to speak? Like what? Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm not really good in English, okay? Please don't judge me. Okay? King John, hello. Golden, hello. Hello, everyone. Warm voice? Hindi kaya ako... Hello, haha. Hello, Joda999. Hindi kaya ako warm voice. Cold voice. Cold voice. Zeus, hello. Pare Koy, hello. Alan, hello. Kinchana! Thank you, Kinchana. Guys, road to 3-star na tayo. Wild the Trail, hello. Kalasag, hello. Si Papa K, Hi, Louie. Hello. Kinchana, thank you, Kinchana. Wild! Wild the Thrill. Thank you, Wild the Thrill. So wild. Thank you so much. Wow. Kinchana. Thank you, Kinchana. Wild the Thrill. Thank you. Always take care, Wild the Thrill. Thank you so much. God bless you. Answer. What is it, USA now? Give me dragon and I reply to you. Deal? Thank you, Kinchana. Deal, USA. Give me one dragon and I will reply to you. Pali, pali. Pali, pali, pali. Hello, Astro. Shout sa mga bagong pasok. Hello. Answer then is a deal. Oh my God, no deal. No deal. No deal. Hello, Mitako. Shawi. Thank you for following me, guys. Thank you so much. Touch me na. Thank you. Hello, Lokito. Hi, Lokito. Welcome to my live. Yes, I'm Coco Melon. Kukumpleto ng buhay mo at melon ang magpapasaya sa'yo. Damn! Damn! Tortex! Thank you, Tortex. Hey, Shawi. Bye! See you later. Touch me na't ingat ka, okay? Jaguar, why you say ow? Why you say ow, Jaguar? What is it? Neb, hello. Top or bottom? Middle. Middle ako. Middle. Bye-bye. Touch me na. Thank you always. Mwap. Mwapsi. King John, hello. Welcome back. Yeah, thank you. Touch me not. Thank you so much. Or middle like a sandwich. Middle like the middle class. I'm just kidding. Ganda. Thank you. Ganda yarn. Alam nyo kung yung pagsasabi ng maganda ka ay nakakayaman, ang yaman-yaman na natin, guys. Babalatuhan ko talaga kayo. Babalatuhan, ayan o. Bibigyan ko kayo ng balato. Thank you, Kawaii. Robert, hello. You mind now. What is it? Tell them. What? Vicky, hello. Jerome, hello. Hala, grabe naman yun. RDS, thank you. RDS. Grabe naman yung pagsabi niya sa akin ng matawa. Pag ako pumayat talaga, huyo kayo sa akin. Louie, hello. Eugene. They tell me like I'm so fat. Am I so fat? Eugene. Hello, Papa. I love how you talk. Thank you. Kaya nga sabi ko, tinan yung liit-liit ng braso ko, Obe. Ang liit-liit ng braso ko. May lang, konting fats lang. Be, malaki lang yung face ko. Like, my face kasi is like a square type. So, I have a big face. That's why you think like I'm so fat. But, I'm not fat. Yung maganda-ganda. Hala, may basher na ako. Oh my God, I'm so proud of myself. Thank you, babe. Alam nyo, pag ako may basher, hindi ako nalulungkot. Masaya ako, babe. Ibig sabihin, maganda pala ako, may basher ako. Kasi yung mga yung magaganda lang daw may karapatan i-bash eh. So, oh shit! Shout sa mga bagong pasok. Would you like to come to me? Hirap pasahin ng mga I'm 40. Hello, some say square face have the sweetest smile. Kinchana, thank you. Why say that? But, yeah, I have a chubby cheeks, right? Hayaan nyo na, no one is perfect, guys. Don't judge me. Batman, hello. Thank you for following me. It doesn't matter how pretty you are, as long na you have You have a kind heart, kind and sweet personality, and you know, yeah, forget about it. Hindi na tinuloy. Thank you po. Guys, wag niyo po akong kalimutan i-follow. Thank you. Ismael, hello. Paul, hello. Atalia, hello. Who's spending the holidays? Oh, that's nice, RDS. Piglet, welcome back. Shout sa mga bagong pasok, hello. Pero guys, you have a big heart. Thank you. Hi, Paul. Paul, be careful. You might be Paul in the swimming pool. Okay, Paul? My fox will be bears. Ooh, that's nice. They live in so fine, so nice. Ouch. Why you say ouch, Paul? I'm telling you, Paul, be careful. You might be Paul in the swimming pool. Okay, Paul? Hello, Phoenix friends. Hello, everyone. Hello, D. Hello, Kash. Ouch again. DT, thank you, DT. The King, hello. Ernest, hello. O sige, kayo na yung pogi. Red, hello. I'm falling again. You're falling again. That's so smooth. Damn. Red, welcome back, Red. Hello. That's so smooth. You got me there. Oh my. Oh my God. Guys, nagpapa-oras din kasi ako kasi pag nag-flight na ako, hindi ako makaka-live. Guys, I can live tomorrow, okay? Because I have flight tomorrow. I'm going back to the Philippines. Yes. James, hello. Coach! Just only one day. Just only one day though, so don't miss me, okay, guys? What? Oo, Paul. Alam mo naman. Charot lang. Kinchana, thank you, Kinchana. You're so sweet, Kinchana. Thank you so much. Super appreciate it. Eugene! Thank you, Eugene. More. Thank you, Eugene. More. You're not gonna see me tomorrow, so more. I'm just kidding. Hello, Magic. So wrong, hello. Nadikas ko kasi nakita yung story mo. Kasi naman, Paul, kasi ikaw napaka-busy mo, puro ka na lang dyan ibang babae. Noipy James, sure. Jared, welcome back. I have a cute eyes. Am I have cute? Oh, look at my feet, so small, right? Hindi itong paka ko eh. My feet is so ugly. Don't look at it. Small lashes na. Yeah, I know, right? Look at my lashes. It's just a few lashes now. I know, Paul. Back to reality. Back to sing. Joel, hello. Lopez, hello. Jopay, kamusta ka na? Hindi pala ako singer. Uno, hello. True, Paul. John Garcia, hi. Okay lang ako, John Garcia, thank you. Kayo, kamusta kayo, guys? Kamusta naman kayo? Kamusta yung buhay-buhay natin dyan? Bye, Juan Santos. Magkano PR? Wala, hindi po ako nagpi-PR eh. You're live na. Yes, Uno. Uno, you're alive na pala. Uno, nilasing mo ko ha. Grabe ka, ikaw lang pala magpapainom sa akin ng beer. Alam mo ba, buong buhay ko, never akong uminom ng beer. Buong buhay ko, promise. Kasi hate na hate ko yung beer. Sumuka tuloy ako ng marami. Dahil sa'yo yun, Uno. Uno. Hello, may boycats to hello. Ayos yan. Anong ayos lumaki yung chan ko na bloated ako, be? Anyways, kumuha naman ako ng 7K. So, Ed, hello. Good job, Uno. Dahil dyan, Uno, +1 ka sa langit. Alam mo ba yung meaning ng +1 sa langit? Halimbawa, wag naman sana, no? Halimbawa, mamamatay ka ngayon. Hindi ka pa ngayon mamamatay, bukas pa. Kasi naka-note na yan sa taas, +1 ka sa langit. Shout sa mga bagong pasok. Hello, Vlad. Hello. Thank you for tapping, guys. Good evening. Mag-dinner na po kayo sa Pinas. Mag-lunch na kayo dyan sa Pinas. Jared, welcome back. Why not? Never mind. Hello. Uno, thank you so much again. Thank you. Guys, follow niyan si Uno. AG Ug! I know you. Hello. Shawi, babe. Welcome back. Thank you, Shadow, for following me. Thank you, guys. Shadow, thank you. Unknown! Hello, Unknown. Hello, Max. Lakas mo talaga. Hindi ako malakas. Tinan mo nga, hindi pa nga ako 3-star, oh. Guys, kailan kaya ako mati 3-star? Spidey, hello. Larold. Larold. Hello, Larold. Uno. Joker, hello. Loncho. Cochil. Ban, hello. Awi, hello. That, hello. Guys, please be careful always, okay? And don't forget to eat. And be kind always. In Tagalog, maging mabuti kayo palagi. Tatandaan nyo yan. Iba yung mabait sa mabuti, kaya please lang maging mabuti kayo. Minsan lang tayo mabuhay sa buong mundo, kaya maging mabuti tayo. Hello, Marie. Hello, everyone. Dollar, hello. Shawi, everyone. Brian, hello. Shout sa mga low level, high level. Wala pa rin tayong label. Kailan kaya? Ghoster, hello. Tashi, hello. James! Thank you, James. Elias, hello. Dogs, sure dogs. Ikaw pa ba? Walang naman mahina sa'yo eh. 1K nga eh. Wala oh. Hello, Elias. Hello. Kabagis. Hello, Chucky. Hello. Hello, everyone. How are you? I'm good, Elias. How are you? Hot sauce. Hello. Heart, hello. Miss kita, Hitman. Chung Ti. Ang hirap naman ng pangalan mo, B. Mala Japanese ata yun o Chinese yung pangalan mo. Kuya MLB, hello. Idon, hello. Kimchi Rice, hello. Miss kita. Miss kita, bigyan mo ako ng... Kilala mo ako talaga. Isang account. Talaga? Let's play hello. Eh kasi naman, hindi ko na binubuksan yung isang account ko. Pero kaya ko pa rin siyang buksan. Pero, ito na kasi yung gagamitin kong account, guys. Kaya sinasabi ko sa inyo na i-follow nyo ako. Nagalit eh, no? Magagalit talaga ako pag hindi nyo ko finalo. Kaya i-follow nyo. Elias, I'm so sorry. Don't forget to follow me, okay? Thank you. Thank you, guys. Yes, thank you, guys. Thank you, John. Hello, everyone. Ang bilis ng comment. Hindi ko na naman mabasa lahat yung comment nyo. IT, hello. Good evening. BK, yes. Green Eye, hello. Eugene, are you not sleeping yet? It's too late for us. And you have work tomorrow? Or what? Dollar, hello. Be, hello. Do you want to teach me how to box? Yeah, please. Please teach me. Please teach me. Or you can give me though. Coaster, hello. Wild the trip. Welcome back. Thank you again for the gift. Why? Why you always sleep late? It's bad. If you need to woke up so early, you need to sleep so early too. Where's the bad guy? Sometimes I can sleep too so early. I'm Beefy. Hello. Hello everyone. Heart. Mm. Max, thank you guys. Nails reveal my nails. This one. This is my nails. Awi. Hello. Oh my god. Guys, 12 mag-end na ako. Bahala kayo. Let's play. Welcome back. Mag-play lang ako ng music. Hello, Re. Play natin tong Daisy. I will live now. Okay, RDS. Just always take care, okay? Thank you so much for dropping by always on my live, my friend. Option, hello. Remy! Uy, kamusta sa? Buhay ka pa pala, Remy. Boss Heart, hello. Queen Star, hello. Okay lang, kamusta? Okay lang, Remy. Thank you, RDS. Jetro Max, hello. Nagbibigo ka pa rin pala, Remy. Tagal mo na sa bigo, ah. Hello, Tipsy. Hello, Tipsy. Hello, everyone. Omsin. Dito ka na tumanda sa bigo, be. Tipsy, thank you. Bye-bye. Good night. Janelle, good morning. Good evening dito sa amin. 30 pa lang. Sinabi talaga yung age. Dito ka na tumanda sa bigo talaga. Mm-mm. Bonnet, hello. Shout sa mga bagong pasok. Hello, guys. Yay! Malapit na ako mag 1 hour. Guys, nagpapa-oras lang ako. Like, pag wala na ako sa calendar, tama ka. True. Guys, pag naka 1 hour na ako, I'm so sorry guys, I need to end my life. I need to pack my things. I have flight tomorrow going back to the Philippines, so I'm so sorry guys. Jeff, take care, Jeff. Eugene, I'm gonna miss you, Eugene. Reefer, welcome back. Nice in New York, Remy. Wait, Point, you're here. I don't see it. Paul, thank you. Thank you for what? Thank you for what? Mar, hello. Thank you for seeing you. Siang, hello. Ha? Diba nasa tala ka na? Bata, bakit ba? Parang galit na galit ka. Bakit ba, tala? Fiang, hello. Bakit ikaw nandito ka? Eugene! Welcome back, Eugene. I'm gonna miss you, Eugene. Thank you so much. I'm so sorry. I need to end my life soon. Maybe like, what time do you sleep? Wow! Nagbagsak si Paul! Paul, be careful. You might be Paul in the bed now. Not in the swimming pool now, in the bed now. I don't know. I need to pack my things, Eugene. So yeah, I need to go. Like maybe 3 minutes more. Justin, you're late, Justin. I'm gonna end my life soon. I need to pack all my things. Ang lakas. Yung main account mo, ang lakas pala. Hala, Fiang, hindi. Mag-ready ka na ng bagahe mo. Yeah, I need to pack all my things. Guys. Oh my God. Tito Ninong, hello. Oh. Oh, yes, welcome back. Oh my God. Guys. Okay, last 3 minutes. Last 3 minutes for you, all of you. Tito Ninong, hi. Hello. How long will you stay in the Philippines? I'll be back here maybe October, end of October, I think. And yeah, I'm gonna stay for so long. Why your name is Have Melon? Why? Why you asking me? It's a secret now. I already told you why my name is Coco Melon. Coco Melon. I already told you. But you will go live in the Philippines? Yes, of course. Hi, I can still live. But I think still love melons. Yeah. But I think our time is different now. But let me see. I can live every day. Cause I need to, I need to go to, cause, cause my grand opening for my business is on October, so I need to go there. I need to be there. Mm-hmm. So yeah, but I can still live every day. Don't worry, you're gonna see me. I love big melon, too sweet, yum, and juicy. Yep, I know, right? The whole melon is so big, therefore she have half of it. Kiteo, oh my God, why are you saying that? How can I say your name? Cuteo, Cuteo. Anyways, guys, I need to end my life now. Thank you for watching my live. Thank you for always talking to me here. Thank you for always be here. Thank you for staying my life. Thank you for following me. Thank you for all the gift. I need to pack my things now, guys. I'm so sorry. I have flight tomorrow. So I love you so much. Always take care and always be humble and kind to everyone. And don't forget to eat, please, guys, and take care. God bless. I'll see you on Monday. I'll see you on Monday, guys. If nakaland na ako.